Okay, students, Question 2 says 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. See here I written 2 women, 5 men finishing it in 4 days, and 3 women, 6 men are finishing it in 3 days. And you are asked to find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. मतलब एक अकेला आदमी कितने दिनों में काम फिनिश करेगा, एक अकेली लेडी वुमेन अगर है तो वो कितने डेज में इस वर्क को फिनिश कर सकती है. इस टोटल वर्क को, जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाला वर्क है, लेट अस टेक इट एज वन, है ना. पूरा काम खत्म हो गया. जैसे मैंने बोला भाई कि ये बेडशीट है, इस पे एम्ब्रॉयडरी करनी है, सो टोटल वर्क इज वन, है ना. ये आप इसको अज्यूम कर लीजिएगा कि टोटल वर्क जो है वो हमारा जो है वो वन है. ओके, नाउ वन वुमन की बात करनी है ना. तो हमने कहा कि भाई जो वन वुमन है, लेट अस you need to find how many days will one woman take and one man will take, है ना. तो हमने कहा कि भाई हम ये ले लेते हैं कि if one woman is there, one woman takes x days to complete, है ना. she can complete the work in x days, complete work. ओके, टोटल वर्क आपका वन है, एक्स डेज में कंप्लीट करती है. ये मान के चल रहा है कि हर दिन में इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क कर सकते हैं. तो वन डे में कितना वर्क किया, वन टोटल वर्क वन है, एक्स डेज में किया, देयरफॉर वर्क डन इन वन डे इज 1/x. वन वर्क, टोटल डेज एक्स, सो एक्स डेज में करता है वन वर्क, वन डे में कितना करेगा उसका फ्रैक्शन 1/x. तो ये फ्रैक्शन ऑफ वर्क डन बाय वन वुमन इन वन वर्क, वन डे. ओके, कौन, वन वुमन क्या कर रही है, 1/x वर्क करती है, कितने टाइम में, इन वन डे. सिमिलरली इफ आई कंसिडर दैट वन मैन कैन फिनिश द वर्क in y days, complete work, finish, then in one day what part of the work he is doing, part of work, it will be 1/y. For a woman, part of work done in a day is 1/x. For a man, part of work done is 1/y. Now according to the first case, 2 women and 5 men are doing. अब 1 woman is doing 1/x work, then 2 women will do 2/x. Similarly, 1 man is doing 1/y, so 5 men will do 5/y. कितने दिनों में, in one day. And total days they are taking is 4. See, for 2 women the work done will be 2/x. For 5 men it will be 5/y. In one day they are working together, so the total work done is sum of these two. ये in one day है, and they are working for 4 days, so total work done in 4 days is this. And how much will it be? It is they are finishing this work. Finishing total work was 1, so the work done is 1. Okay, so here using this equation, using this condition, I got this equation. Again, number of days 4. Into work done in one day by whom, by number of women, 2 women and 5 men. So this is 2/x plus 5/y is equal to 1. Solve it. What you will get, 2/x plus 5/y, transposing 4 here, you will get 1/4, naming it equation 1. Then in the same way, using condition given, second one, 3 women, 1 woman is doing 1/x work, so 3 women will do 3/x. 6 men, 1 man is doing 1/y work in a day, so 6 man will do 6/y work in one day. Number of days they are working, 3. Total work by 3 women and 6 men in a day will be this. as they are working for 3 days, so for 3 days the work will be 3 times of 1 day, and that is 1. Why 1? क्योंकि work is finished. And then 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. This is equation 2. Now you can solve equation 1 and 2. How would you solve? Consider, assume that 1 by x is equal to another variable u and 1 by y is variable v. Now if I place here, I will get 2u plus 5v is equal to 1 by 4, and here 3u plus 6v is equal to 1 by 3. Now use any suitable method to solve. Find value of u and v and then find it. How? See, if I am using elimination method, eliminating this 3, I will multiply this equation 1 with 3 and equation 2 with 2. Then you will get 6u plus 15v plus 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4, and this is 6u plus 12v is equal to 2 by 3. Now subtract these two. Subtracting this equation from equation 2 from equation 1, signs change, cancel. This 15 minus 12 will give you 3v, and this is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Take LCM. You will get 3v is equal to 1 by 12 और v will be equal to 1 upon 36. क्या किया हमने? 3 को ट्रांसपोज कर दिया, ये तो v आया. Now if you will place value of v here, you will get u also. Also v 1 by y is v, so y will be reciprocating. 1 by v, what is your v? 1 by 36. 1 by v will be 36. So one man alone can do this work in 36 days. Okay, let us place the value of v here in equation 1 and get this. 2u plus 5v, that is 5 by 36, is equal to 1 by 4. 2 of u is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 36, and the rest is same. Taking LCM and solving. So u will be equal to 8 upon 36 into 2, that is 1 by 9. So u will be 9 and 1 by x is u, that is x is equal to 1 by u. Sorry, u was 1 by 9. So x will be equal to 9. Okay.